Hello everyone, I'm Sarvesh Toshniwal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and merge GSTR 2A for multiple months in a single click. So as we know that for doing GST reconciliation we require to download and merge 2A for the entire year, and for people who don't use any software it becomes a very tedious task to manually go on the website and download the 2A monthly and then merge them, especially when you have to do it for multiple clients. It takes almost half an hour to manually merge 2A for entire year, and even after this, we sometimes encounter certain clerical errors. In order to resolve this, I have developed a utility whereby you just have to put in the login ID password and select the period for which 2A needs to be merged. The utility will then automatically fetch the data from the GST website and download it and merge the 2A. All this it will do in less than 5 minutes. So let me show you how this utility works. We need to first enter the client details in this column. Name and GSTN of the client is not mandatory. However, you can put in the folder link wherein all the 2A files will be saved after download. So I'll show you how do we do that. We will first create a new folder somewhere. You can rename it, open the folder, and then here in address bar, if you click over here, you will find a link. You will copy this link and paste this link in this cell. Now, after doing this, we will select the period. Yeah, one more point, please ensure this folder is blank before running the macro. Now we will select the period for which the 2A needs to be downloaded. I have selected the 6 months of 2018-19. You can select the entire year. After this, we can request for 2A download, but since I've already requested it sometime back, I will directly download and merge 2A. So when I click over here, you can see that the Chrome gets opened and your GST credentials get autofilled. Now we have to put in the CAPTCHA and press enter. You can see that now the Chrome gets controlled by the Excel. So the Excel will browse through all the months, download the respective 2As and save those downloaded 2A in the folder specified by us. So like this 2A is now downloaded. If we open this folder, you will see that the 2A is downloaded over here. After some time, the second 2A will come. So in this way, all the 6 2As will get downloaded in this folder. After that, they will all unzip themselves and the merging will start. Now all the 6 2As have downloaded and the merging has started. If you open this, you will see that all the 6 2As are getting merged now. All the blank rows and the bold rows are getting removed and then it will get copied to our sheet. So now you can see that all the 6 months are merged and the 2As which are monthly 2As which are downloaded are saved in this folder which was specified by us. So you can see in summary sheet how many B2B, B2BA and CDNR, CDNRA are there. In B2B sheet, you can see all the line-wise items are there right from April to September. Similarly, in B2BA, CDNR, CDNRA, here you will also get one additional column for month of 2A, this one. So that you have control about which ones 2A has a line item come from. You will also find this column in like every sheet. Okay, so in this sheet also you have this. In every sheet you will have this column. Okay, Please note one thing, to run this utility you need to install a web driver named Selenium Basic and a Chrome driver. I have explained the process to install this in another video, the link to which I have given in the video description. If this is not installed correctly, the utility will not run. So please watch that video. So I think this utility will be of a great help to all the people who are not using any software to file their GST returns. I have given the link to download the utility in the video description. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your colleagues. Also, let me know in the comment section how do you find it. Thank you.